Hello everyone, welcome back to Dubai Healthcare Consultancy. If you are a dental technician, dental assistant, dental hygienist, or dental technologist, and you prepare yourself for the upcoming Prometric Pearson VUE exam, so I would recommend to watch this video and it will help you to prepare you for your upcoming Prometric Pearson VUE exam. In this video, we will share with you some exam questions. In these exam questions will definitely help you for the upcoming Prometric Pearson VUE exam. So question number 1. Why is a constructor including a local anesthetic solution? So there are 4 options. Option A, to allow large dose of anesthetic to be used. Option B, to prevent possible allergic reactions. Option C, to extend the effectiveness of the anesthetic. Option B, to lower systemic blood pressure. Even give you some time, think, and what you think about these options. What is the correct option? And if you think option C is the correct option, so you are 100% correct. To extend the effectiveness of the anesthetic. Why it is correct? The rationale is a constructor like epinephrine reduce blood flow at the injection site, slowing the absorption and increasing the anesthetic's duration of action. Let's go to question number 2. Which type of medication can raise the chance of prolonged bleeding after a procedure? Option A, pain relievers like NSAIDs. Option B, antibiotics for infections. Option C, blood thinners like aspirin. Option D, multivitamins. So if you think option C is the correct one, so this is the correct option. Option C is blood thinners like aspirin. They increase the chance of prolonged bleeding after procedures. Why? The rationale is aspirin interferes with platelet function, increase bleeding risk during or after procedure. Question number 3. Which dental material gives off heat while sitting and is best mixed on a cool glass slab? Option A, fluoride releasing Ionomer. Option D, eugonol-based cement. Option C, good-friendly polycarboxylate. Option D, zinc phosphate cement. If you think option D is the correct option, so you are 100% right. Zinc phosphate cement. Why? The rationale is zinc phosphate release heat during mixing exothermic reactions, so a glass slab helps dissipate heat and control sitting time. Question number 4. What distinguishes glass Ionomer cements from other dental cements? Option A, sits faster than other. Option B, gradually release fluoride. Option C, easily bonds to wise surface. Option D, encourage dentine formation. So if you think option B is the correct option, so you are 100% right. Gradually release fluoride. Rationale: glass Ionomer is a unique for its ability to release fluoride over time, provide anti-cavity benefits. Question number 5, last question of the day, and this question is: after topical fluoride treatment with a gel or foam, how long should a patient avoid food and drinks? Option A, 5 minutes. Option B, 10 minutes. Option C, 30 minutes. Option D, 60 minutes. Think about the correct options. If you think option C is the correct option, so you are 100% right. 30 minutes. Rational patient should wait at least 20 minutes after fluoride application to allow maximum uptake and effectiveness. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more video, I would recommend to like and subscribe, or YouTube channel and you will get instant update once we will upload our new video. As I told you in the beginning, Dubai Healthcare Consultancy assist doctors, nurses and pharmacists and allied healthcare professionals who are interested to start their career in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Bahrain, Qatar and Kuwait. We assist with health authority registration, data verification and license exam booking. Then not only this, we will also provide you the exam routine, and this exam material will help you in the preparation of upcoming these Prometric and Pearson VUE exams. If you need more help, simply send us a WhatsApp message. Our WhatsApp number is on your screen, or you can call us, and our phone number is also you can find on your screen. Thank you so much for watching this video.